Taro-chan, 5 days old, and he has the hiccups. Oh, he's wearing socks for gloves because we need to buy more gloves. And he's very awake. Taro-chan.
Aww.
Oh. Yay. Heck. Look at those eyes. Okay.